Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload this iQoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to erase all data on iQoo mobile. Friends, you want to erase all data on your iQoo mobile, so friends, how to erase all data in this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you want to factory reset, you want to erase all data on your device. So friends, how to erase, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your iQoo mobile. Friends, click on search option, reset setting guys. Friends, reset setting friends, you can see reset setting guys, erase all data, factory reset. Friends, click here. Friends, you want to reset your phone settings, Bluetooth network, mobile network, Wi-Fi setting, you can reset from here. Friends, click on factory data reset, and friends, you can see this will erase all data on your phone, internal storage including your Google account, system app and data, download apps, music, photo, other user data. So everything will delete on your device if you click here, erase all data. So once click here and you can delete all data. Friends, I don't want to erase, you want to erase, so you can erase your all data, you can factory reset. And after erase friends, you can see your Google account, system app, download apps, music, photos, songs, everything will delete on your device. So before erase data friends, first of all file transfer, your photos, video guys you can transfer. Then friends, after transfer friends, click on factory reset setting and you can erase all data from here. And friends, you have any pattern, password, pin, lock, password, so friends you will have to draw your pattern, you will have to enter your password, then friends you can erase your all data on your device. So I hope friends you understood how to factory reset. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.